The drivers are ready. The fans are on their feet. The stage is set for the sights and sounds of thrilling Nascar Cup Series action. You've waited all week, and now it's time for the most famous words in all the race. Drivers, start your engine!
Here we go, start it up. Be ready now. Green, green. Outside door. Outside. High side now. Carlo. Clear high, you want it. Clear bottom. One bottom. Clear low if you want it. Car outside. Inside now. Clear outside. High side now. Five to go now. Hold your line. Clear low if you want it. Clear up top. Inside. You're three wide. One inside. Clear bottom. Inside door. Clear inside. Carlo. We'll get the lead back. Stay focused. Clear low if you want it. One on the bottom. Great job, you got the lead. Car still there. All clear. Inside now. Clear bottom. Inside door. Clear low. Two to go. Car inside. Clear low if you want it. White flag right here. Amazing win. Great work out there, driver. You're unbelievable.
Welcome back on the track. Your NASCAR Cup Series race winner is climbing out of the car. Make some noise, NASCAR fans. As the session comes to a close, let's take a look at the results.